How are you today? How are you today? I'm going to work. I'm going to work. Let's have a coffee. Let's have a coffee. What's the plan? What's the plan? I'm getting late. I'm getting late. Now it's your turn. Which sentence did you already know? And which one is new for you? Write both answers in the comments. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Can we talk? Can we talk? I need some rest. I need some rest. Let's go out. Let's go out. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I totally agree. I totally agree. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Sorry, I was busy. Sorry, I was busy. It won't take long. It won't take long. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Let me help you. Let me help you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. What's going on? What's going on? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It's time to relax. It's time to relax. Which one was your favorite sentence? Comment below.